Hello and welcome to the Photo Backup Stick video tutorial series. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to back up from phones and tablets using the Windows app. The Photo Backup Stick has a great little feature that allows you to back up from your phone or tablet if you connect it to your computer. Now this is great for the Photo Backup Stick for computers that doesn't connect directly to your phone or your tablet. It still allows you to back up photos from those devices. So let's show you how to do that. When we launch the Photo Backup Stick app on Windows, we click on Start Backup. And you'll notice here that you have the option to back up from photos from my device. That is if you have a device connected. Since we don't right now, we need to connect a device. So I'm going to connect my phone to the computer. You can hear it in the background starting to connect. Now the phone is going to ask me if I want to trust this computer. I am going to click yes, I want to trust the computer. And you'll notice that we still do not have the phone showing up here. So I'm going to click refresh, and now it shows up. Now to back up the photos from my phone, I'm going to click both checkboxes here. And if I want to back up from my computer at the same time, I can leave that checked. But since I've already backed up from my computer, I'm going to uncheck that and just click Start Backup. And just like that, it's going to download the photos on my phone and back them up to the Photo Backup Stick in a folder marked with the name of my phone. So it's going to be separate from the other backups that I have, but it's going to allow me to have them all backed up to the same Photo Backup Stick. So that's it. That's how you back up photos from your phone or tablet using the Windows app. Thanks for joining me today.